You know, that moment when you write the perfect prompt and the AI still gives you a hand with six fingers, text that looks like alien language, and a logo that's just wrong. Yeah, same. I've been in that situation so many times. So today, I'm testing something that claims to fix all of that. It's called Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro, a new 4K pro grade image engine powered by Google's Gemini 3 Pro image model. They're saying no more broken text, no more off model faces, no more wasted generations. Big claims. So in this video, I'm going to see if it actually lives up to the hype live on screen with you. Hi everyone and welcome back to the Dharya Coach channel. If you're new here, I talk about careers, personal branding, content creation and AI tools that actually help you create faster, not just add more buttons to your life. And today, we are playing with Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro inside the Higgsfield.ai website. Quick context before we dive in. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies right now. Their whole mission is to be the most creator friendly platform. Nano Banana Pro is their new image engine that focuses on control, clarity, and structure rather than just flashy outputs. The crazy part, it's built on Google's Gemini 3 Pro image model and it can generate at 1K, 2K, and full 4K, and even upscale lower resolution images to crisp 4K images. So this isn't just making pretty pictures. This gives me something that I can actually use in a thumbnail, ad, client project, or UI mockups without 20 rounds of fixing. Today, I'll walk you through a tour of the interface, a few real world test prompts that we'll test out live, where does the tool shine and where it might struggle, and a limited time offer that is actually kind of wild. Unlimited generations for a year. More on that later in the video. Let's jump straight into the video and get started. Go to the Higgsfield.ai website, log in and open the Nano Banana Pro model. You can find it in the Explore or the Image section or just see the pop-up right there on their website. So once you're inside Higgsfield.ai, you will see Nano Banana Pro as one of the image models to choose from. What makes it different on paper? 4K image quality. You can start at 1K, 2K or go straight to 4K if you need production ready detail. It's designed to auto-fix anatomical errors, composition issues, and even text rendering before the image hits your screen. And it has built-in world knowledge, so it's better at handling celebrities, landmarks, real city streets, and structured text. In simple terms, it's trying to be that model where you spend less time wrestling with prompts and more time shipping actual work. All right, enough talk and let's test this. I'm going to run you through 4 live tests. The first one being a travel or landmark accuracy. Powered by Nano Banana Pro, we're going to be recreating global travel scenes with pixel level correctness. Let's give it some input images. The first one being a night photo of Times Square, New York, with multiple lit billboards and heavy detailing. The second image is going to be a simple indoor photo of the person or the subject with neutral lighting and a casual outfit, as you can see. And the third image is going to be a reference of Times Square billboards with crystal clear text. Now, let's type in the prompt. Place the subject from image 2 into the Times Square scene from image 1, match neon reflections and color temperature precisely, preserve all billboard text and shapes exactly as in image 3. Output a clean, artifact-free 4K travel photograph with accurate lighting, scale, and shadow direction. Nano Banana Pro produces a hyper-accurate Times Square travel portrait where all billboard text is rendered perfectly with zero letter distortion. Reflections from neon signages fall correctly and the subject's skin and clothing are all as is. And the subject's skin and clothing, facial proportions, etc. remain true to identity as in the real image. And the final result looks like a real nighttime travel photo shot on the location in real time. Nano Banana Pro autocorrects any composition mismatch, scale errors, or lighting inconsistencies before the image reaches your screen. Let's move on to the second live test, which is a movie scene recreation. Nano Banana Pro's cinematic precision, studio level cinematic stills in one generation. Let's give it the input images. The first one is going to be a still from a noir detective film showing a dimly lit alley. The second image is going to be a front lit portrait of the subject or the character that we're going to be using. And the third image is going to be a costume reference with a trench coat fedora. The fourth image that we're going to upload is going to be cinematic lighting reference with rim light, high contrast, and wet reflections. By the way, you can upload up to 14 images in the Nano Banana Pro model. In this one, I'm using 4. Let's give it the prompt. Recreate the Neuer Alley scene from image 1 with the person from image 2 as the main character. Match the wardrobe from image 3 and lighting direction from image 4. Maintain cinematic skin texture, correct shadow geometry, and film grade mood. Output in clean 4K. That's going to be our prompt, and now let's wait for the output. Nano Banana Pro generates a studio authentic cinematic frame where the subject's identity is preserved with frame accurate fidelity. The trench coat sits naturally on the shoulders, no wrapping at seams. The alley's reflections match the subject's silhouette perfectly. Lighting stays consistent with zero compositing artifact. And the final still looks like an actual movie production still. Nano Banana Pro automatically fixes arm length, hand shapes, and facial symmetry, eliminating the usual AI movie still mistake. Now let's move on to the third live test case, which is a profile photo redesign. Nano Banana Pro for professional headshots, converting basic selfies into studio grade portrait. Let's input the images now. The first one, a casual indoor selfie with uneven lighting. The second one is going to be a reference of a clean corporate portrait, even key light, soft background blur. And the third one is going to be a studio reference for hair and skin finishing. Let's type in the prompt. Transform the selfie in image 1 into a professional corporate portrait using the lighting and composition of image 2 and the finish from image 3. Preserve identity exactly. Render clean edges, natural skin texture, and accurate lighting follow. Deliver in 4K. Let's wait for the output. Nano Banana Pro produces a studio quality headshot with precise facial structure, no jaw widening, no eye asymmetry. Professionally balanced lighting and color temperature. Clean hairlines and realistic skin texture. Background rendered without noise or banding. Fully natural expression retention as per the input image. The output looks like it was captured by a portrait photographer and not generated. Now let's move on to the fourth test case, which is a fashion editorial or a high-end photo shoot. Keeping it aligned with Nano Banana Pro's strengths, that is structure, clarity, 4K detail, clean textures, precise fashion rendering, anatomical accuracy, and no garment arping. Here it is, fashion editorial Nano Banana Pro for high-end magazine shoots. Editorial grade portraits with perfect fabric behavior and 4K detail. Let's give it the input images. The first one is going to be a basic indoor photo of the model with a neutral face and a casual outfit. The second input image is going to be a fashion reference image showing the desired editorial outfit, which is a structured blazer, layered skirt, and textured fabrics. The third image that we're going to input is a lighting reference from a luxury magazine shoot. Sharp key light, soft fill, reflective background. And the fourth image is going to be a pose reference. Angular editorial pose, clean hand placement. Now let's input the prompt. Transform the subject from image 1 into a high fashion editorial portrait using the wardrobe from image 2, lighting setup from image 3, and posture from image 4. Preserve identity, render cloth textures with high fidelity, and maintain correct limb proportions. Ensure 4K magazine grade sharpness and realistic fabric physics. Now let's wait for Nano Banana Pro to generate the output image. Nano Banana Pro produces an editorial quality fashion portrait where the subject's face remains perfectly on model with zero distortion. The structured blazer and layered fabrics from the reference are recreated with accurate stitching, folds, and texture. Hands, fingers, and posture follow the reference precisely without anatomical errors. Lighting direction and reflections match professional studio conditions. Edges of the hair, jewelry, and fabric remain crisp in 4K. And the final output looks like a glossy magazine cover shoot done with a real camera and a stylist team. Nano Banana Pro automatically corrects common AI issues like arched collars, melted fabrics, missing buttons, or asymmetrical poses. You can also do things like translate text inside an image, generate consistent product mockups, break down objects into parts for explainer content. That's where control, clarity, and structure really matter. Now let's talk about who this tool really is for. So who is Nano Banana Pro really for? Firstly, professional digital artists who need production-ready 2K or 4K assets, ad creative handlers, brand and packaging designers, thumbnail and poster artists, educational and explainer content creators like me, and product and UX teams that are prototyping dashboards with legible labels. Not just that, if your work depends on readable text, correct structure, consistent characters, and high resolution, then this is in your lane. Now let's talk about the pricing and the limited time offer that I was very excited to share with all of you. As pricing is a big part of the utility of any tool, at this time I'm recording this, Hixfield is offering something very special. If you subscribe through Monday, which is the November 24th, and this deadline will mostly get extended, you get an unlimited Nano Banana Pro generation for the entire 1 year to come. For creators who test a lot or agencies who iterate constantly, that's huge. There's also a pricing comparison graphic that I'll put on the screen showing that Hixfield is currently one of the most affordable, high quality platforms to use. All right. Quick take after trying Nano Banana Pro. If you only want random pretty art, there are plenty of options. But if you care about clarity, readable text, correct diagrams, and consistent faces, this is one of the strongest models right now that exists in the market. You're not fighting with it. It actually feels like it understands what you meant. If you want me to test Nano Banana Pro against another image model, tell me which one in the comments and I'll create another video on it and show you the live test cases. All the links are in the description, including the Nano Banana Pro intro page and the Hixfield.ai website. Details of the unlimited generations offer are also mentioned. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who spends too much time fixing AI images and needs 4K quality studio ready images for different use cases. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.